We'll guide you through how to transfer files from your Samsung phone to your Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super straightforward, so all you need to do is firstly open up a web browser on your Mac. I'll just go and use Safari, and you want to go and search Samsung Smart Switch for Mac, and you want to come down to use Smart Switch to transfer content with your PC or Mac. Just make sure you come to samsung.com, then go and scroll down and click on Get Smart Switch, and you can click on Mac App Store, and that should go and start the download. You'll need to click on Allow, and then it should go and begin. So wait for this to finish. Once it's downloaded, go and double click it, and you need to go and run it. So now let's go and install it. Just follow the installation instructions. It's pretty straightforward. To go and finish installing it, you do need to restart your Mac. So we'll go and do that now. After restarting, then what we can do is open up the Smart Switch app. So just open up your Launchpad, go and find it, and you can then go and click on it like so. There's a system extension which has been blocked, so I'm just going to go and come to my settings and unblock it. In privacy and security, scroll down, and you can then go over to the right where it says some software requires retention before it can be used. Click on details, and then what we can do is go and allow it. Go and switch it on and go and click OK like so. We now need to connect our phone. So this phone here has got a USB-C port, so I'm using a USB-C cable, and I can then plug the other end into my Mac. This phone here has got a USB-C port, so I'm just using a USB-C cable, and I can plug the other end into my Mac. Depending upon your computer, you may need to use an adapter. After you've plugged it in, you need to click on Allow Access to Phone Data on your phone, like so. And then we need to give more permissions on our Mac, so let me open the system settings, and we can switch on Smart Switch like so. We can then return to Smart Switch and click on Retry, and it will say connecting to your device. And on our phone, we need to go through these settings here. So go and press continue at the bottom, and we need to go and give these permissions, which I'm going to go and do. And we can then click retry on our Mac, and it says connecting to your device. And then what we can do is go and click on open file browser. And just like that, the file browser will open up and we can go and see our files. So for example, I could go into my downloads here. I can see the files I've downloaded. I could then go and select them. I can go and click and drag them onto my Mac, just like so. And of course, I could go and put them into a folder just to make things tidier.